In today's lesson, we will see another method of search, that is custom built search, and it is a very easy technique of search. If I have defined a list, list 1, I have to search any number from this list, whether it is in the list or not. I have taken that number as input and passed in integer because in input we have string and we cannot manipulate string, that we converted in int. With the help of membership operator, we checked whether if q in list 1 print yes else print no. If we run this and enter number 3, if 3 is in this list, then it will print yes, otherwise no. It printed yes. If I use membership operator of not in here, the number which won't be in the list, it will print no on them, and the numbers which will be found, it will print yes. I have printed 50 and it returned no, means it is not available. This is one method of search. If we have to remove duplicates from our search, how we will remove duplicates? To remove duplicates, I will make an empty list again, the list from which I want to remove duplicates with unique values. I ran a loop. The list from where I have to remove duplicates, I ran a loop on that. Then we got membership operator if. If first index is found in list 2, list 2 is empty at the moment. If first member is found, then it will neglect it. If not found, then it will append. Append means it will make a part of it. It will write in front of it. It will continue till end. It will neglect that number which is already present in list 2. Only those numbers will be placed which are not present in it. It is a unique way which we can call search. Actually, it is used to remove duplication. There are also built-in methods of Python which can remove duplication. Can give counts, unique counts, all are available. This is custom method that we can do purification on any list as per our desire. Now, what is append method? It means already something is written and you want to add something more to it. That is called append method. Before we had written 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If I want to append something more in list 1, I want to append list 3 in list 1. List 1 dot append list 3. When I printed list 1, it said L1 is not declared. Again, I ran, then it gave me first list 1 from till 7, then it added list 3 and from 1 till 7. It has made list 3 as it is part of list 2. If we want that it should add as elements not list 3, we will use extend method for that instead of append. If we use it, in this case, when it will add list 3 in list 1, it will add elements of list 3 in list 1. It will not add complete list. What will it print for I? 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. If we have to remove duplicates, we will make an empty list. For x in list 1, if x not in li2, li2 dot append x and print out list 2. Now if I run this, it has taken all unique numbers and made a separate list of those.